Good morning, students. I am Priya. You are watching EduStar, Class 3, Mathematics, Lesson 4. In Lesson 4, we are going to learn only about geometry. Do you have any idea about geometry? It is the part of maths that studies the size, shapes, positions, and dimensions. That is, measurements of things. In this lesson, we are going to recall plane figures, solid shapes, simple concepts in geometry. There are two main shapes in geometry. One is plane shapes, that is plane figures. Another is solid shapes. First, let us know about plane shapes. Plane shapes are flat and closed. These plane shapes are also called flat shapes. Examples of plane shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, and oval. These shapes are having sides and corners. What is side? Side is a straight line that is a part of a shape. There are two types of sides. One is straight side, another is curved side. Then what is corner? A corner is where two sides meet. Let's see about the plane figures in detail. First, rectangle. Rectangle has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Now see here, this A, B, C, D is a rectangle. In these, AB, BC, CD and AD are sides. That is, it has 4 sides. Side AB is equal to side CD. Side BC is equal to side AD. So, opposite sides are equal in rectangle. This rectangle has 4 corners, that is A, B, C, D. Some real-time examples are blackboard, pencil box, notebook and etc. Next, square. The square also has 4 straight sides and 4 corners. All its sides are equal in length. Now look at this square EFGH. It has 4 sides, that is EF, FG, GH and EH. It has 4 corners E, F, G and H. All its sides are equal, that is EF, FG, GH and EH are equal. Do you know? Since opposite sides of a square are equal, it is also a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square because in rectangle all sides are not equal. Some common examples of square are chessboard, bread, carom board and etc. The next plane shape is triangle. The triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Now look at this triangle. It named as X, Y, Z. It has 3 sides, that is XY, YZ and XZ. It has 3 corners, that is X, Y, Z. Some common real-life examples of triangle are traffic signs. Next two plane figures are circle and oval. These two plane figures have only curved sides. In these, the circle is a round shape. It has one curved side and no corners. Some examples are wheel, coin and etc. Like circle, the oval also has one curved side. It has no corner. Some examples of oval are egg, mirror and etc. Next, solid shapes. There are 5 solid shapes. They are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. These solid shapes have faces edges and corners, let us know about the face at first. The outside of the solid shape is called its face or surface. The solid shapes have flat face or curved face. Now look at these figures. This one is a cube and this one is a cuboid. A cube and cuboid have flat faces. They have no curved faces. Next, sphere. A sphere has a curved face. It has no flat faces. Now see these figures. This one is a cylinder and this one is a cone. A cylinder and a cone have both flat and curved faces. Now let us know about the edges. An edge is where two faces meet. There are two types of edges. They are straight edge and curved edge. Now let us know about the edges in solid shapes. A cube has straight edges. A cuboid also has straight edges. A cylinder has curved edges. A cone also has a curved edge. In sphere, there is no edge. Next, let us know about the corners. A corner is where three edges meet. The corner is also called a vertex. In solid shapes, that is a cube and a cuboid have corners. A cone also has a corner. A sphere and a cylinder do not have corners. Now let us see the properties of solid shapes. That is how many faces, edges and corners are there in a solid shape. First, let us know about the cube. All the sides in a cube are equal. Every face in a cube is a square. A cube has 6 flat faces, no curved faces. It has 12 straight edges, no curved edges and 8 corners. Next, cuboid. In a cuboid, the opposite sides of each face are equal. Every face in a cuboid is a rectangle. A cuboid also has 6 flat faces, no curved faces, 12 straight edges, no curved edges and 8 corners. Next, cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. In these, 2 are flat faces and 1 is curved face. Also, a cylinder has 2 edges. These 2 edges are curved edges and no corners in cylinder. The next solid shape is a cone. A cone has 1 flat face and 1 curved face. It has only 1 edge, that is also a curved edge. It has only 1 corner. The next shape is sphere. The sphere looks like a ball. A sphere has no edges or no corners. It has only 1 curved face. Now see this table. Dear students, you have to study and write this table in your rough note, okay? The next topic in this lesson is simple concepts in geometry. In your book, they gave point, line, line segment and ray. These are the simple concepts in geometry. Let us know about each concept in detail. First, point. A small dot made with a sharp pencil gives you a point. We use a capital letter to name a point. Now see this. This is a point. I named this as P. This point shows a definite position. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Next is line. This is line. It has neither a beginning nor an end. It is denoted with a double-side arrow mark. A line is straight. It has no thickness. Here, A and B are 2 points on this line. And this line is denoted as like this. Next, line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. This line segment is denoted by like this. This XY is a line segment. A line segment has a beginning and an ending. Next ray. This is a ray. It begins at a point A and it has no end point. And this B is a point on this ray. The ray AB is denoted as like this. And remember one more thing. Whenever two line segments meet or two lines meet, they meet at a point. For example, in this figure, the line segments AB and PQ meet at a point or here the lines MN and XY meet at point O. Now let us know how to measure the line segments. We know already a line segment has a beginning and an end. Now you have to measure the length of the line segment AB. Now take 15 cm ruler. Place it such that its zero mark is at one end A of the line segment. Read the ruler mark at the other end B of the line segment. Now you can find the measurement, that is AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Now I measured these line segments, that is PQ is 6 centimeters, XY is 4 centimeters and MN is 5 centimeters. Now let us do some exercises. Dear students, you have to practice these exercises in your rough note. Here totally 6 Roman letters are given. Roman letter 1, name each figure and write its symbol. Here the first question has been done for you. The remaining questions from 2 to 6 you have to do. While doing this exercise, if you get doubt, you can refer page number 54 in your math book. Next, Roman letter 2. Draw line segments of the following lengths. Here, the first question, PQ equal to 4 cm has been done for you. The remaining questions from 2 to 5 you have to do. Dear students, you can use 15 cm scale to draw these line segments. Next, Roman letter 3. Name 4 objects having only curved surface. That is, the object should have only curved face. For example, the watermelon has only curved face. You have to write any 4 objects by your own. Okay. Roman letter 4. Name 4 objects having both plane and curved surfaces. That is, the object should have both plane and curved faces. For example, pencil has both plane and curved faces. Dear students, you have to write any 4 objects having both plane and curved faces. Next, Roman letter 5. Tick the correct answer. Here totally 6 questions are given. Here you have to find whether the given object has flat face or curved face. Do this by your own. Next, Roman letter 6. Fill in the blanks. Here totally 12 questions are given. These are one words. You have to find the answers by watching this video. Okay. Also, you can refer your math book to find these answers. Dear students, these 6 Roman letters are very easy to solve. These Roman letters are only for your practice. Okay. Thank you, dear students.